This video is to explain how to set up Odoo so you can receive cash payments against an invoice without having to set up an outstanding receipts and payments account. Uh, for the purposes of this demo, I have configured a demo company and cleared out the default accounts for the outstanding receipts and payments account over here, and set up we have the default cash journal, which has been configured over here, uh, and I have created one invoice against which we can receive a cash payment. Now by default, one of the issues you are going to face is once you set it up this way, when you register a payment and you try to capture the payment in your cash journal, when you save it or click on the create payment, you get this user error which says you can't create a new payment without an outstanding payments receipts account set either on the company or the manual payment method in the cash journal. The so this message basically says you need to set up an outstanding receipts and payments account either over here as one of these default accounts, or it needs to be set up on the journal itself. Now, one of the things that is a little confusing to users is the 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 outstanding and create outstanding receipts and payments account does not appear anywhere on the screen, so you don't see a field anywhere over here to capture that information. The reason is because it's hidden. So the way you solve the issue, the problem is you click on these three dots, you come into incoming payments, click on the three dots, and you make it visible. So now the outstanding receipts account field will be visible over here. The same thing on the outgoing payments. You click on the three dots and make the outstanding payments accounts visible. Okay, so that's the first thing you need to do. Once you do this, these fields will always be visible until you hide them again. The next thing you need to do is you need to set the account. Since you don't want to use a separate outstanding receipts and payment account, you need to set it to the same account that you're using for the cash account. So you come to incoming payments, click on edit, set it to the same cash account. Same thing you do on the outstanding payment side, set it to the cash account. Now the reason for doing this is what will happen is once you capture the cash payment, instead of routing it through the outstanding receipts or payments account, Odoo will then directly book the entry to cash. And one of the advantages of doing that is instead of the invoice going into what is known as the in payment status that you typically see with outstanding receipts and payments account, it will directly be it will go directly into the paid status. So now since we have already set this up, we have set up the outstanding receipts and the payments accounts over here. We go back into the invoice, we click on the register payment button, we select the cash journal, and we book our payment. And boom, it's now your invoice is in paid status. That payment has been adjusted against your invoice. And now if you go into your cash payment, you look at the journal entry over here, you will notice that it's made the adjustment and debited the cash account directly instead of debiting the outstanding receipts and payments account. That's all there is to it. Hope that helped. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye.